So I'll just tell you the basic journey of how MLOps started in 1960s. So the first neural network, that is Perceptron, I think so, was born, and people got so excited, overexcited, thought robots would take over soon, and the reality, what happened? Nothing worked. Like, I mean, results were weak, and funding was very frozen, because I mean, till 2000s there is nothing called of infrastructure, first thing. And some experts system worked in medicine, for example, in the fraud detection model, or in medicine, we can they are like early wins for them. And 2000 to 2010, so that's a kind of comeback where, and I'll just open the slide. Yeah. So in 2000 to 2010, the comeback, like where 2000 in 2006, uh, Geoffrey Hinton, I think so. Yeah. So he revived the deep learning, and thanks to fast computers, then only I think so. Like this cloud computing, big data, and AI finally became the useful. And in 2010, AI started moving into the companies. For example, which is in the happily living in a Jupyter notebooks. Jupyter notebooks are something kind of development environment, I can say, and they never made into the production, right? And like students finishing the final projects but never launching them. That's where 2010 to 2015 happened. And 2015 to 19 is something kind of the real boom. Like I mean, photo recognitions came, and 2018, I think so. Google's BERT, like translators, improved their, I mean, their translation engines, and 2019 GPT-2 shocked the world with text generation, and that's it. So it got funded a lot. It got every company wanted a piece of that, and in 2020, I think we will be aware of everywhere. AI is everywhere now. AI is a part of the daily life, is it? Now, so Netflix recommends your next binge, and Uber finds your next driver, and whatever. Like, you can correlate whatever going in front of your eyes. Everything was AI or MLOps, we can say AI. And airlines, even airlines optimize their routes, and Amazon, Uber sets their surging prices. And I'll tell you one thing here. It's not a normal software. ML is not like a normal software. It's not like a regular apps. Once you build and deploy the code and you monitor it, it works until you change it. No, it doesn't happen like that. For example, you might have in your uh, companies that are legacy applications which were running from past I mean for 10 years, and you don't touch on that. There are so many applications I have seen till they are running right now, but these are not something kind of you can keep having for more years or something like that, because ML models can drift. They drift a lot. For example, a movie recommendation model trained which was trained in 2022 might not work well in 2025, because your taste might change and my taste might change, and the trending changes. For example, you take the OTT platforms. For example, you have the Netflix. You will be getting a lot of recommendations and a lot of enhanced features, a lot of